Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe.
German conversation practice. Ordering food in German. Picture this. You walk into a quiet restaurant in Berlin. The sound of soft conversation fills the room. Plates clink. The smell of fresh bread, warm soup, roasted meat. You sit down. A waiter walks up to you, and suddenly, you freeze. You want to order, but the words don't come out. What do you say? How do you respond? What if, in the next few minutes, you could confidently order food in German, understand what the waiter is asking, and respond naturally without stress? That's exactly what we're going to practice today, slowly, clearly, step by step. Let's begin. When you enter a restaurant in Germany, you might hear Guten Tag. This means good day, or Hallo. You can respond simply with Guten Tag. Let's say it slowly. Guten Tag. Good. Take your time. The waiter may ask, Wie viele Personen? How many people? You can answer, Ich bin allein. Wir sind zwei. Repeat slowly. Ich bin allein. Wir sind zwei. Nice. They might say, Bitte hier entlang. Please follow me. Just follow them to your seat. Once seated, they may ask, Möchten Sie etwas trinken? Would you like something to drink? Let's slow it down. Möchten Sie etwas trinken? Good. To answer, Ja, bitte. Yes, please. Then say your drink. Ein Wasser, bitte. Ein Kaffee, bitte. Ein Bier, bitte. Repeat slowly. Ein Wasser, bitte. Ein Kaffee, bitte. Ein Bier, bitte. Excellent. When you receive the menu, take your time. If you need a moment, say, Einen Moment, bitte. One moment, please. Repeat. Einen Moment, bitte. Good. Relax. No pressure. When the waiter returns, they may ask, Haben Sie gewählt? Have you chosen? You can say, Ja. Yes. Then order using Ich nehme, I will take. Example, Ich nehme die Suppe. Ich nehme das Schnitzel. Ich nehme den Salat. Let's repeat. Ich nehme die Suppe. Ich nehme das Schnitzel. Ich nehme den Salat. Great. If you want multiple items, ich nehme die Suppe und das Schnitzel. Say it slowly. Ich nehme die Suppe und das Schnitzel. Perfect. If you don't understand, say, Entschuldigung, excuse me. Then, was ist das? What is this? Repeat. Was ist das? Good. You can also ask, Was empfehlen Sie? What do you recommend? Slowly. Was empfehlen Sie? Nice. If you want something politely, use bitte. Example, Ein Glas Wasser, bitte. A glass of water, please. Repeat. Ein Glas Wasser, bitte. Good. If you need attention, say Entschuldigung. Then ask Noch ein Wasser, bitte. Another water, please. If the food is good, say Sehr lecker. Very delicious. Repeat. Sehr lecker. Nice. When you're done, you don't need a special phrase like in Japanese, but you can say, Das war sehr gut. That was very good. Repeat. Das war sehr gut. Great. To ask for the bill, die Rechnung bitte. The bill, please. Repeat. Die Rechnung bitte. Good. Sometimes they will ask, zusammen oder getrennt? Together or separate? You can say, zusammen. Getrennt. Repeat slowly. Zusammen. Getrennt. Nice. Now let's go through a full conversation. Just listen first, then repeat. Waiter. Guten Tag. You. Guten Tag. Waiter. Wie viele Personen? You. Ich bin allein. Waiter. Möchten Sie etwas trinken? You. Ja, ein Wasser bitte. Waiter. Haben Sie gewählt? You. Ja, ich nehme das Schnitzel und einen Salat. Waiter. Sehr gut. After eating, das war sehr gut. Die Rechnung bitte. Waiter. Zusammen oder getrennt? Zusammen. That's it. Simple. Natural. Clear. Now imagine. You walk into a restaurant again, but this time you understand every question. You respond naturally. You feel calm, confident, in control. That's the power of practice. Keep repeating these phrases. Take it slow, and soon, speaking German will feel natural.
That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.